Qua bự vậy cha nhìn sang là
Edward nấp luôn nấp lùm.
I can see you because a lot.
Should be taking heat.
Yeah. Are you shopping later?
Yeah, I think so.
Later, looking finish
Where you
shopping.
from?
Okay. Yeah. Promise?
Friends.
Promise?
Yeah.
Ông ở đây ở tùy ạ. Oh, nhưng mà take many pictures.
You're very pretty.
After pour ice tout à l'heure, hein?
Okay.
Okay.
Promise? D'accord.
Sorry?
D'accord?
D'accord, with the
Oui.
little finger.
Oui. D'accord, the finger, ask pour moi tout à
I'm
l'heure.
gonna visit because we have after to see the group just after.
Okay. What's your name?
Sophie.
Sophie. And you?
Ludo.
Ludo.
And you?
Lamb.
Lamb and Mo and Blue.
Cái mỏ đây là tùy nè.
Deposit in your village. 2,000.
Gì hả? Nó cặp cái xe tụi mình sẽ ra cái xe trâu. Dầu cái trâu có tiền nha mua hả?
Can you believe she told me she's a 23-year-old?
Sorry?
She said she's 23-year-old.
23.
Are you?
30.
City? Is she?
27.
27. Very lucky.
Yeah.
So
Thank
we
you.
just want to see you.
See you later.
Thank you very much.
Remember, buy for young and more and boo, okay? Not everybody.
Remember, okay?
Okay, no problem. See you.
See
See
you.
you. Looking for, buy for later, okay? Remember, okay? Nó lượt cặp luôn.
Zane.
Zane,
Zane. What's your name?
where you learn English?
Little bit.
A little bit? Tell me about yourself.
So something.
Tell about yourself.
Khá chẳng là
How many children you have?
Me? Only 4.
4? Which one?
No.
Now, me
Okay.
say look of white house.
So where you learn English?
We're from Korea.
From tourists?
Giờ lầu láo ấy.
What you guys doing here?
The village.
The village.
Sao ai cười sáng hả?
How old is he?
Lying.
Huh?
Lying.
Finish you shopping.
Hmm?
Alright. Okay.
How much for that one?
Find for me
One.
too.
100.
too.
100,000?
Yeah.
Is a real silver or what?
Hot silver, hot metal.
Oh, handmade.
Yeah. Now change color.
Where you learn English?
Left on tourist.
From tourists?
Yeah.
How many blankets you sell a day?
I sell 2 years ago.
2 years ago?
Yeah.
You learn English 2 years ago too?
Yeah.
How,
You
ma-
just
how,
tell
how many
movie.
blankets you sell a day? You make it? You make it?
My husband.
Your
Today I
husband?
selling now one bracelet. You have it to buy one. You
Because
see?
I don't wear it. I
For
don't
your
wear
mother,
it. Yeah, my mother don't wear it.
your girlfriend.
She doesn't wear it.
You see, you read the hair here. You just tell movie and TV. You do not buy for me. Okay, buy one. Okay, how much? 80. Okay.
Buy for me. Buy you take picture.
Chị ơi, chị nhà nông nhà chứ cần cái. Ông mà anh mua là
What is it for?
What?
What is it?
This be my from the clothes. Yeah.
Oh, you do the clothes like that?
Yeah. Very hot.
Julie chú what Julie chú.
How old are you?
23.
23?
Hey you,
You married yet?
marry you.
You have husband yet?
Yeah.
How many kids you have?
2.
2? Where is it?
You just give movie here.
Huh?
Two baby.
2 baby?
Yeah. But you do not have to buy something. We have no money buy food for baby eat.
Boy
Eat for
and girl.
dinner and breakfast.
Dinner, breakfast?
Yeah.
How much you buy food?
We buy food for 30,000 for dinner.
Instead of 34, prefer 60. Lounge 60.
Now tell me, what's your name?
Pain.
Pain? And,
Yes.
And you?
Sean.
Son?
Yes.
How old are you? How old are you?
Trust.
12?
Yes.
How long time you learn English?
I don't know.
You don't know?
Yes. Dream now.
3 months.
Yes.
Mm.
And me, 2 years.
2 years?
Yes.
Can you write
No.
anything?
I cannot write because I just learn. I don't write.
You just learn to speak?
Yes.
Don't write?
And I do shopping.
Ah.
But you know, I do shopping. Okay. Shopping for me. Shopping for me.
What's the pay?
But you know.
No shopping.
Lady
and $10, okay?
Huh?
I show you. You know, if we go school, we have to write. But if we go to selling, we know write.
No right.
Yes.
Mm.
Okay.
Mm.
Shopping. Like this. Where you from?
I'm from USA.
USA, America.
America, yes.
Yeah.
Mm. So do I look like American?
Now you look like Vietnamese.
I am Vietnamese.
Yes.
But I'm living in California.
Yes. Very good.
What do you think about America? What do you think about it? How you think about it?
I don't know.
You don't know? What you guys doing here?
We go to selling, but nobody, not tourist shopping for we just stay here.
You just stay here.
Yeah.
Did you sell anything yet this morning?
You did not bad, That's for me.
I don't buy, but I give you $1.
Okay.
One posing for $1?
Yeah.
It's so expensive.
$1 for one. Not basic.
It's so
Not basic.
expensive.
Very cheap.
Huh?
Yeah, very cheap.
How much you make money?
How much?
How much you make
1
money?
million.
1 million?
Yes. My in the you. 1 million. You say $1. Just in basic 1 million. Yeah, very cheap. Mua được khâu lụa lo. Dạ có khâu đó. Dạ có à. Cho tăng. Về.